Hi, today we're out in the Digital Flowmeter Department to meet with Jason, who heads up this department, and he's about to share with us some of the latest improvements that they've made.
Today I'm going to share with you our improvement in our digital flowmeter packing station. Previously, our packing station consisted of 2 tables and was away from our production line, which was an excessive waste of motion. So what we decided to do was put our packing station at the end of our production line. To achieve this, we needed to reduce the table size, and by eliminating excessive inventory, we were able to reduce the packing station by 25 square feet. Now at our packing station, we only have the high volume items that we use continuously throughout the day. As a result, we were able to open up more floor space, reduce inventory, motion, and transportation. One of the advantages to our new packing station is it's actually on casters. So if we ever have to do another lead improvement, or if we want to move the whole packing station, we have the ability to. This is just one example of the lean improvements we have made in the electronic flowmeter department. Thank you, I'll see you in the next one.
To check out more videos like this, be sure to visit our website at blue-white.com/bewise.